or it's just a break?
It's built, but it ain't no 383 stroke.
Yeah, man. Y'all see it, YouTube, man. Look at it, man. It's solid, man. Solid. Look at the door jam, man. All that solid. Y'all see that? It's gonna try to see if we can get this thing crunk up. YouTube, I want y'all to take a look at this 74 Donk with me. See if we can get this thing crunk up. It's probably been sitting up for about 10 years or so. So do me a favor, if you think it's gonna crank, go ahead and put it out in the comment section. If you think it ain't gonna crank, I want you to go ahead and put that in the comment section too, YouTube. But before we take a look at that 74 Donk, I want to ask you a question. How would you like to know how to do a LS swap in that Donk you just seen that run just like this, YouTube? Yeah, it's running good, YouTube. Guess what, YouTube? I'm satisfied, YouTube, YouTube. Convertible Impala LS3 swap. You know what I'm saying? We show you how to do everything that you need to do, YouTube. Step by step, YouTube. Wiring, fuel system, everything you need to know, YouTube. I know things may seem a little difficult, but don't let nobody tell you what you can't do. Don't let the enemy trick you into thinking that you can't do it, YouTube. I'm here to tell you that you can do this thing, YouTube. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now, YouTube. Go ahead and turn on your notification bell. That way you see all the videos when we post them, YouTube. And I need for y'all to drop me a comment in the comment section and say I'm riding with Chevys R Us, Tone. Let Chevys R Us help you do your LS swap, YouTube. We a family, man. We gonna do this thing together. Let's get it, YouTube. YouTube. This your boy, Tone coming back at y'all one more again, YouTube, with another great video on Chevys R Us, man. Y'all know what time it is, man. We out here in the garage, and guess what? Ain't nothing nobody can do about it, YouTube. All right? Y'all ready to get to it? All right, let's get to it, YouTube. All right, YouTube. Y'all know what it is, man. I'm right here with my man, D. Say what's up.
What's up, James Brown?
Hey, that's it. Y'all heard him, man. We got a 74 Donk right here, man. Been sitting up for a while. Probably been sitting up almost 10 years, YouTube. Let me show it to y'all real quick. Yeah. Old school 350 in there, man. Think it might be. Hey, is it a 383 stroker?
No, I don't think
It's
so.
built or it's just a break?
It's built, but it ain't no 383 stroke.
Yeah, man. Y'all see it, YouTube, man. Look at it, man. It's solid, man. Solid. Look at the door jam, man. All that solid. Y'all see that? Hey, man, I ain't got none of that crusty stuff, man. Look at that. Y'all see that, man? That's solid right there, man. This is a solid Donk right here, bro. Already got the SS Impala seats in there. Got the bucket seat, the console, everything. Y'all see it, man.
It gotta be redone, but it's gonna be right.
Hey, man, you look, I'm gonna tell you something. You get some purple power on that thing, boy, and clean it up. You might change your mind.
You right.
You know what I'm saying?
You right.
But yeah, look how solid that door closed right there. Y'all see that? Look at that. Wow, boy, you heard it. Yes, sir, man. Y'all see it, YouTube. Got to get a good old walk around this. Yeah. 70. So, as y'all can see, man, We just gonna try to see if we can get this thing crunk up. First things first, what we gonna do is we gonna bypass the fuel line and the fuel tank, and we gonna run it to a gas can right there, man. So we just gonna disconnect the feed line off of the gas, off of the fuel pump, and we're gonna connect this hose right here to it to try to see if see if we can get this thing running, YouTube. So we'll be back in a minute. Yes, sir. All right, YouTube. This is what we got right here, man. We got that hose. Y'all see that little hose, that braided line going to the fuel pump right here. And then we got it running to a gas can right there. And the reason we did that is so to take the gas line and the plastic hose that's in the gas line, to take all that out the equation. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna probably put a clamp on this right here. Yeah, that definitely need a clamp on it. I need a clamp. You ain't got no clamp, do you?
It's on the thing right
on
here.
that hole?
Yeah, we doing that just to test it, remember?
Yeah. Let's do that then.
Okay.
We ain't got to be in there. You know what I'm saying? We just turn it over. Let the fuel pump. All right, there it is right there, YouTube. Kind of let it warm up. Just let it. Is it idling? Just kind of let it idle for a minute. You got a temp sensor in there? Okay. Hey, cut it off. You too. Hey, man, y'all see that thing? Hey, bro, what's that, bro?
You too.
Hey, how long it took us to get it running?
How long it took Tony? About 10, 15 minutes.
Hey, man, it took us that long, YouTube.
It took Tony about 10, 15 minutes.
Hey, we got that thing running. We got oil pressure, baby. Yes, sir. That's what I'm talking about, man. Hey, coming soon, baby. Hey, tell the people, man. Tell them, G.
Huh?
Tell them. Tell them you coming soon.
Real soon, before Christmas.
Hey, hold on, cool. That gonna take some time right there.
Before Christmas.
Y'all see it, YouTube. Got that thing running, man. Sound like it got a little bit to it, but you know, plugs, wires, you know what I'm saying? Hey, that's all you need, baby. Some plugs and wires and some spark plug, regular tune-up kit, man. If you like this video, go ahead and hit the thumbs up button.